Yes, welcome everyone for our today's math session. So today I am going to explain you using Euclid division algorithm show that any positive odd integer is in the form of 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 and 6 cube plus 5. Let us will go for that solution. So first of all you have to consider a positive integer a, and here you have to understand the divisor value from that a required one. Here b is equals to 6, we know that, and also I know that a Euclid division algorithm a is equals to b cube plus r, where 0 is less than or equals to r is less than b. So let us apply that Euclid division algorithm for a and b values. A and b is equals to 6. Therefore we get a is equals to 6 cube plus r, where 0 is less than or equals to r is less than 6. So here possible remainder values that we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So each time that you have to substitute remainder values within that positive integer, so that we can get either it can be a odd positive integer or else it can be an even positive integer. Let us, you can put r is equals to 0. If you put r is equals to 0, here a is equals to 6 cube plus 0, we get it. Entire step that we write in the form of 2 into 3 cube. So here we know that entire bracket 1 I considered as a variable n, so it can be written in the form of 2n, where n is equals to 3 cube. So here we know that according to that even number definition, all two multiples are said to be even numbers, so it is classified as even. Let us, you put r is equals to 1. If you put r is equals to 1, we get a is equals to 6 cube plus 1. So it can be expressed in the form of 2 into 3 cube plus 1. So where n is represented that 3 cube, n is a variable which is going to represent 3 cube. So entire step is going to written in the form of 2n plus 1, where n is equals to 3 cube. So according to the definition of odd integer, we know that 2n plus 1 is a general form to represent any odd number. So it is classified as odd positive integer. Put r is equals to 2. If you put r is equals to 2, we get that positive integer a is in the form of 6 cube plus 2. So here two terms 6 cube and 2 are having common factor 2. Let us, you can consider 2 as a common factor. Therefore we get 2 into 3 cube plus 1, where this entire bracket 3 cube plus 1 is represented by that variable n. So it is written in the form of 2n, where according to even definition, then this is classified as even positive integer. Let us, you take r is equals to 3, then a is equals to 6 cube plus 3, we get it. See here slightly I am modifying this step. 3 I am expressing in the form of sum of 2 plus 1. So 6 cube plus 3 can be written as 6 cube plus 2 plus 1. So from that first and second term 6 cube and 2 I am taking as a common. Therefore 2 into 3 cube plus 1 and plus 1 remains. So entire bracket 3 cube plus 1 is going to be represented by n as a variable. Therefore we get in the form of 2n plus 1, where n is equals to 3 cube plus 1. Therefore it is classified as odd positive integer. Take r is equals to 4. So if you put r is equals to 4, positive integer a is in the form of 6 cube plus 4. So both terms 6 cube and 4 is having a common factor 2. So here you can take 2 as a common factor. Hence we get in a bracket from the first term 3 cube remains and from second term 2 remains. So entire bracket of a 3 cube plus 2 is represented by n. Therefore we get in the form of 2n. Therefore it is classified as a odd positive integer. Now let us consider r is equals to 5. Put r is equals to 5 in that positive integer. If you put r is equals to 5, then we get a is equals to 6 cube plus 5. Again I am slightly modifying this entire value, entire expression. 6 cube plus 5 I am writing in the form of 6 cube plus 4 plus 1. So from that 6 cube and 4 I am taking 2 as a common factor. Therefore I get 2 into 3 cube plus 2, close that bracket, and plus 1 is remain. So entire bracket 3 cube plus 2 is represented by that a variable n. Therefore it is written in the form of 2n plus 1. Hence it is classified as odd positive integer. Hence the required ones are proved to be odd positive integers. Here 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 5 are proved to be odd positive integers. Thank you. For further updates, please share and subscribe my video.